Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do like a 2-day vlogs type video, because my family and I are going camping together right before 4th of July. Hey guys, so I've made it to our campsite, as you can see, and me and my sister are taking turns getting things from our car. And my mom is also, I think, paying for the campsite and is also taking things from the car, and we're all just rotating and taking turns watching after my sister's dog, Cosmos. And so that's what we're doing, so yeah. Oh, on their way.
I'm on the hill, I have to go down. Oh yeah, right. Well, I'm not right to the people you to take this picture.